Hi, friends. Welcome to part 6 of how to create a welcome back, welcoming slide. If you haven't watched part 1 to 5, then please go watch it. So, we've got the image, and then as soon as the image blurs and ends, we're going to add our text. So, if you're wondering how I did that, I'm just going to pause there and then click Add Title and type. So, I actually used the design titles. So, that's why I'm going to delete this. So now if we go right here to zero, starting, it'll look like this. And then we're going to make a second slide, which I already have made. So this is how it looks like. So just the way we made the first slide, we're going to make the second question. I kept 2 questions. You can add as many as you want. Since I'm doing an example, I'm just adding 2. So here's what the second one is. If you guys haven't watched part 5, then please do so. You'll know how to crop the images and stuff. And then lastly, our last slide, we've just added a few badges, which don't think you could find in Google Slides, but definitely in Powtoon. So here are where I got all these badges from. I just went to text and found all these badges. I found an excellent, shine on, everything. So I just added some of those. Found a stamp, established, every, bit of it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.